Welcome to the 3A Championship in the 400-meter dash. Your lineup looks like this. In lane 1, it'll be Chase Cutler from Rockton Hananega. In 2, Emmanuel Murphy from Downers Grove North. In 3, last year's champion, Troy McLean from Belleville West. In 4, Austin Rosewell from Lincoln Way West. In 5, from Bolingbrook, that's Bruce Duncan III. In lane 6, from Loyola Academy, Miles Lyons. In 7, it's Dallas Amos from Evanston Township. In lane 8, Dontrell Young from Oswego. And in lane 9, Logic West from the Kenwood Broncos. Duncan, your 1 seed is a senior, as is McLean. But Dontrell Young, he got 5th as a freshman, so he is just a sophomore out there. He is in lane 8, and it looks like Roswell from Lincoln Way West showing early strength there. Now let's see on the inside, that's McLean from Belleville West. The defending champion would like to make it 2 in a row. Does he have it in him? In 4, that's Roswell. Oh boy, this is going to come down to the wire. No, it will be Troy McLean. McLean defends his state championship, 47-98. For the senior, followed by Rosewell, who held the lead for a good part of the race. He runs 48-18. Then it's Lyons from Loyola Academy in 48-59. Then Duncan, 48-90, followed by Amos, Cutler, Murphy, Young, and West. That is a wrap on the 3A Championship in the 400-meter dash.